Okay, so this is a sound test with the Canon M40, and for this test I'm using a Shure SM58 dynamic microphone, which is the standard world, vocal microphone. The key to making a microphone like this work is a little gizmo like this. And what this is a low Z to high Z transformer. You can buy these at Radio Shack or Guitar Center for about 20 bucks. And this plus a few other couplings will give you the stereo 1/8 inch jack that you need to mate this microphone. I'm actually surprised at how strong the signal is. I actually had to turn the setting on the microphone sensitivity down to 55 to get this to peak at about minus 12 dBs, which is very commonly suggested as the desired level. I also want to point out that the illumination level on this particular scene is about 450 lux. I may have the automatic gain control set to plus 3 dBs or not, or it's turned off, I'm not sure which, but this is 425 lux. This can be measured with any conventional light meter, such as this Sekonic L308. Basically what you do is you set this to ISO 100 and then put it in EV mode. And if you go to Sekonic, if you Google for EV to lux conversion, you'll find the Sekonic chart for doing this. And this was about EV 7.3 on the EV scale at ISO 100, and it translates into about 425 lux. I do recall seeing in some Canon cameras that they recommend an illumination level of about 100 lux. So we're a good 2 stops above that level right now.